Electric boat by Minnesotan and former Tesla exec. And here's its launch, which is the right word because you launch a boat. Mm-hmm. Every time you go to use it, you actually launch it. I love the design of this boat. It's so simple and nice looking. And powered by look at the solar on the top there.
Oh, yeah.
Little picnic on the back. I see cup holders on the table. Former Tesla executive is creating an electric luxury boat with a range of up to 150 nautical miles. The 30-foot boat will have 800 horsepower dual motor, solar power system, a sleeping cabin, and a bathroom, per industry news outlet Clean Technica. Now, this baby over here is going to come in around $300K, which is definitely not nothing. But you're wondering when you're going to see these other electric vehicles other than cars, right?
Yeah. ATVs and
motorcycles are out there. You have a lot of different transportation. I mean, electric planes would be really cool.
Oh, yeah. Planes, yeah.
Planes would be ridiculous. Boats seems feasible. I don't know. There's probably weight. I'm trying to think of all the issues over there. Mm-hmm. That they probably exist. Mm-hmm. Refueling's kind of a big one because if you think about it, you get stuck in your boat, someone just comes with a jerry can and you're off. It happens all the time. You get stuck on an electric boat out of juice.
You gotta wait.
Someone's coming with batteries. I guess it's the same, but it's just a little bit more. It's just a little different, isn't it, Will?
It has to be like a light boat, right? A small light boat.
What does?
First. The electric boat.
Just lightweight, you mean?
Yeah, lightweight.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It can't be like a giant yacht or
So what do you want to make it out of? What material? Don't say the word. Don't say the word, Will.
I would say, plastic. I don't know.
Oh, I thought you were going to say titanium.
No.
Oh, thank God. Shout out, Lee. Appreciate it. He says lithium is 100% recyclable from batteries. So at some point, we won't have to mine it anymore. Sick.
Yeah.
Way to go, nature.
All right.
But what if all the people that are depressed need it more than your car? They're just chomping it by the...
They're eating car batteries?
No, it's not the same. Oh, God, what are we doing? It's not... Don't. None of that. It's a Friday.
Yeah.
I take nothing. Everything in this show is just alleged.
Yeah.
It's all allegedly. Full disclaimer. Scroll down just a little bit just before we get off this one. The CEO of the Florida-based boat company Blue Innovations Group is John Vo. He grew up in the Twin Cities and graduated from the University of Minnesota. He was previously the global head of manufacturing at Tesla.
Oh, wow.
So it's not really a joke, Will. As much as we're goofing and gaffing, it's not really a joke. Guy's going to do it.
Yeah.
And he's like, look at these two losers talking about my invention I've been working on for a decade after having been previously the global head of manufacturing at Tesla. Look at these goofballs singing Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Titanium.
Talking titanium.
Losers.
Look at those two hosers up there in Canada.
Yeah.
Couple of hosers.